Hi, I'm Hadassah with Plytix. At Plytix, keeping our platform user-friendly is our #1 goal, and to us, this includes helping you work faster by removing unnecessary actions like extra clicks. With our new keyboard shortcuts, you can navigate through the product overview quickly and seamlessly. In this video, you'll see how these shortcuts can save you time and improve your workflow. I'll show you how to search for products, create a new product, switch between table and grid view, show and hide filters, bulk select products, delete and attribute content, and what I'm sure will quickly become your favorite feature, undo or redo changes. Let's get started. Let's start with searching for products. When I'm on the product overview page, I can bring up the search bar instantly by pressing Command, Option K since I'm using a Mac, or if you prefer Windows, you can press Control Alt K. Let's say I can't find the product I'm looking for, so I want to instead create a new product. Creating a new product doesn't require additional clicks either. Without moving away from my keyboard, I'll press Command Option N for Mac or Control Alt N for Windows, and the modal pops up. Now I'll fill out the product details and save my new product by clicking Control Enter. Now I'll switch views from table to grid view to see my products better by clicking Command Option V for Mac or Control Alt V for Windows. Since I want to narrow down the number of products I'm viewing, I'll open my filters. Pressing Control Option F does the trick. I've filtered down my product catalog, so now I can bulk select some of these products to edit them. To do so quickly, I'll click on my first and last product while holding Shift, and all the products in between will be selected. Let's say I want to edit my products in table view. You already knew that you can use the arrows to move across different rows and columns, but you can now also click Delete on a cell to remove contents of an attribute. Oh no, did you remove the wrong content? Don't worry, you can undo that change by pressing Command or Control Z, or redo it with Command or Control Shift C for multiple cells. Ready to take the shortcut? Head over to our Help Center for a full list of all the commands I mentioned.